So guys, pagdating nyo doon sa pinaka-meeting place, hindi naman agad kayo malilito kasi makikita nyo na agad sila. May hawak-hawak silang folder, tapos may nakalagay na cloak. So, i-approach nyo na lang agad. Isa sa mga dapat na hindi mo palagpasin pag nandito na kayo is dapat itry nyo yung coconut ice cream at saka yung mango sticky rice kasi sobrang sarap daw talaga. Oh, ayun guys, yung coconut ice cream. Ayan guys, oh. Ang sabi ni Cherry, kailangan matry daw namin yan.
Coconut ice cream.
Hi guys, good morning. It's our third day here in Bangkok, Thailand. For today's video, pupunta tayo sa sikat na Dam Wan Sarawak Floating Market. Then after nun, pupunta din tayo sa Mae Klong Railway Market. Ito yung may train na dadaan, tapos sa mga gilid niya may maraming mga stalls doon. See you there! So guys, grab na lang kami and on the way na kami sa Siam Paragon. Yung Siam Paragon, isa yun sa sikat na mall dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. And then, dun kasi yung meeting place namin. So guys, nandito na kami sa Siam Paragon Mall. So ngayon, hinahanap ko lang yung gate 1, ground floor. Dun kasi yung pinaka-meeting place namin. So guys, pagdating nyo doon sa pinaka-meeting place, hindi naman agad kayo malilito kasi makikita nyo na agad sila. May hawak-hawak silang folder, tapos may nakalagay na cloak. So, i-approach nyo na lang agad sila. And then, after nun, meron papapilapan sa inyo. So, kailangan talaga guys, dala nyo yung passport nyo. Personal information about you. Yan, yan sila guys. Do I need to put the hotel or?
The name hotel. Hotel name.
The hotel name where I'm staying?
Yes.
Okay. Papunta. Okay guys, so kakatapos lang natin mag-fill up yung form. Dahil medyo maaga tayo nakarating, breakfast muna kami. So, ang pinakamalapit na kainan dito guys, malapit sa meeting place. And guys, dito muna kami mag-breakfast sa McDonald's. Hindi pa bukas yung mall guys kasi ang bukas ng mall 10 AM pa. Yan. Ganda rin ng McDonald's dito guys. So. Guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. Bumalik na ulit kami dito sa meeting point namin. Ang dami rin nag-avail ng tour guys, oh. Waiting na lang kami sa bus guys. By the way guys, bino ko din pala ito sa Klook. Itong floating market tour natin, tsaka railway market tour. Guys, nasakay na tayo ng bus. Madito na tayo sa okay guys, nakasakay na kami ng bus.
Sawadee is a one word, only one word. You can use all day, all night. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good night. Hi, hello. Sawadee ka. But I am a lady. I'm to speak at the end of the sentence or the word ค่ะ for polite. No meaning. It's just a polite. Yes. Same like a thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณครับ if you are man speaker, you say ครับ especially the man, you must to aware because if you say สวัสดีค่ะ some person they think you are lady boy. So who are lady boy? Mostly they say สวัสดีค่ะ yes, to you we are welcome for the lady boy. We Thailand we accept, yeah, and we love lady boy too. Yes, very nice, yeah, 2 in 1. Yes. Yes. My name is Cherry. Nice to meet you. Cherry. สวัสดีค่ะ Yes. So today we have the 3 bus. Please remember the bus number 3234. My name Cherry, and also on the sticker have my phone number. In case you lost, because today tour is a market tour, you lost, you have emergency, you can calling me, and also this number you can apply like a WhatsApp, you can. So in each stop, when I telling you what the meeting time, I wait you only 10 minutes. Yes. So if apologize, if we must to leave. Because if you late, if something happen, I understand. You calling me. So if you quiet, you not calling me and you late, we must to say goodbye to you. Okay lah? Same like right now, we missing 9 persons, but we give time 10 already lah. We must to say goodbye for 9 persons behind. Actually today we are full the bus. Okay, because we are joy tour. So who come early go wait so long time lah. Okay, deal, everybody okay? Okay nah. Okay. So if something happen, if you late for the taxi, motorcycle is on your cost, is on your money nah. Okay, yes. We have the helper. We have 2 guys today. My name Cherry and another lady's name Miss Am. She over there. Am. She behind. Yes. If you need some help, you can contact her, Miss Am. Yes. And the driver, Mr. Somchai. She cannot come up to greeting you. She driving now. Okay. So I will tell you the program today. Today eating shopping tour. So you must to eating, you must to shopping for today. Otherwise no fun. Yes. Yes. No fun. You must to have the Thai baht cash because local market. If you buy a lot, okay, credit card okay, but we're gonna charge you.
So guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa floating market. So bago daw sumakay ng bangka, kakain muna daw kami dito. So yung kasama sa binayaran natin may coconut pudding tsaka yung saging. And after kumain, sasakay na tayo dito ng bangka.
How many of you?
2. So dito muna kami guys, kakain kami. May break time. So guys, eto kasama to sa binayaran namin guys. Ito siya. Dito sa unahan mo. Dahan-dahan na. Kaya mo? Kapin cut. Hey guys, kakasakay lang namin ng bangka. I'm so excited. Share ko lang din guys, no? So, 2 hours din yung naging biyahe namin. Magmula Siam Paragon, papunta dito sa Dam 1 sa Floating Market. Then, alam nyo guys, nakakatawa yung tour guide namin si Cherry kasi talagang i-explain niya sa'yo lahat ng information dito sa floating market at saka din sa train market. So, sabi niya, ang Dam 1 sa Duke, ang meaning daw niya is convenient transportation. Tapos, ibigay din siya ng mga tips na kung ano may gusto kami bilhin dito, dapat marunong ka rin makipagtawaran. Tapos, meron siyang mga tinuro ng mga Thai words pag makikipag-bargain ka sa kanila. Like yung Tao Lao Cup. Ang ibig daw sabihin nun, magkano yan. Tapos, pag medyo mahal yung tinda nila, ang sasabihin mo daw, Tapos guys, sabi rin ni Cherry, isa sa mga dapat na hindi mo palagpasin pag nandito na kayo is dapat itry nyo yung coconut ice cream at saka yung mango sticky rice kasi sobrang sarap daw talaga. Although nung first day pa lang namin, tinry na rin namin yung mango sticky rice. Talagang sobrang, alam mo ba, sobrang tamis ng mangga nila dito, talagang nakaka-addict. Tapos pala guys, may kasama nga rin palang life vest. Yan. Pero kami hindi na namin sinuot eh. Safe naman siya eh. Ayun guys, yung coconut ice cream. Ayan guys, oh. Ang sabi ni Cherry, kailangan na-try daw namin yan.
Coconut ice cream.
Nakakatawa guys, oh. Ang daming prutas guys, oh, parang sasarap. Oh. Wow, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Sabi din sa amin ng tourist guide namin guys, maganda rin pumunta dito pag weekend. Kasi pag weekend, lahat ng resort open. Pag weekdays naman, marami din namang mga stall na open, pero hindi kagaya ng weekend, lahat daw bukas. How much?
The photo 200 baht, one photo.
100 baht? Okay, I'll get it.
Nói gì mình phải đi liền rồi. Mấy đi liền cô. Mấy đi liền mình đi liền. Hello, photo. Action, em được bạn. Thank you.ขอบคุณค่ะ
Ayun guys, so kung gusto nyo i-avail yung picture nyo dito, 200 baht siya. Yan. So may 40 minutes pa kami guys bago bumalik sa bus. So maglilibot-libot muna kami dito guys. Okay guys, nakikita ko na itong coconut ice cream. Try natin to guys.
Mango.
Sawadee ka. How much coconut ice cream? 50 baht. 50 baht? 40. Tan. 40.
Okay.
Sawadee ka. Can I get one more scoop? Sawadee ka. And guys, kung gusto niyo mag-CR, meron naman din dito. Yun nga lang, may bayad sa 5 baht. Guys, so kasama rin sa binayaran natin yung spring coconut. So dyan nagtatapos ang ating floating market tour dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Sana guys ay nagustuhan nyo yung naging tour natin dito at sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood. Then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Marvin Andres Vlog.